In a world driven by material possessions and fleeting desires, true wealth often remains elusive. But what if we could redefine wealth, shifting our focus from mere financial gains to something more profound? Join us as we explore the essence of true wealth, its hidden treasures, and the invaluable impact it can have on our lives. Welcome to The Value of True Wealth. In our quest for wealth, we often associate it with accumulating vast fortunes, luxurious possessions, and societal status. However, true wealth goes beyond these external trappings. It resides in the depths of our hearts and minds, in the experiences we cherish and the connections we forge. True wealth lies in the richness of our relationships, the love we share with family and friends, and the support we receive during both triumphs and tribulations. It's about creating a tapestry of memories, laughter, and genuine connections that last a lifetime. True wealth is found in acts of kindness and the joy of giving back. It's about using our resources, time, and skills to make a positive impact in the lives of others. The power to uplift and transform communities lies within our hands. True wealth is pursuing our passions, the activities that ignite our souls and make us come alive. It's about following our dreams, embracing our creativity, and discovering the satisfaction that stems from doing what we love. True wealth is nourishing our minds and spirits. It's about embracing self-reflection, personal growth, and continuous learning. The journey towards enlightenment and self-discovery is a priceless gift we can offer ourselves. True wealth is living in the present, savoring every precious moment. It's about finding contentment and gratitude for what we have, rather than relentlessly pursuing what we lack. The simple joys of life often hold the greatest treasures. In a world that sometimes prioritizes material possessions over genuine fulfillment, let us remember the true essence of wealth. It lies in the love we share, the positive impact we make, the pursuit of our passions, and the growth of our souls. True wealth is within our grasp if we choose to seek it. Join us next time as we explore more meaningful topics on the value of true wealth. Thank you for watching. Remember, your true wealth lies in the moments that truly matter.